JessEm's Rout-R-Lift is a router lift which is designed again to use round-bodied routers, but this accepts our smaller round-bodied router. The lift has an aluminium undercarriage and then a phenolic top plate. So a great construction, but a more affordable price than the Mast-R-Lifts that we also have. For this one again, we can take out the insert ring, so we can put in different size cutters. We also have rise and fall in imperial and a lock-off mechanism for when you've got this set to the right height. When we've got the cutter in there, we can raise the router up, so all of the adjustments for the router taking the cutters in and out are happening from above the table. The JessEm Rout-R-Lift plate is the same size as our master plates and our INCRA plates. So all of our router plates and lifts fit the same standard American size, which will work in our INCRA, our JessEm and our AUK router tabletops. Our 1500 watt AUK router has a 3.5 inch diameter body. This is perfect fit for the JessEm Rout-R-Lift. Like our other larger AUK routers, this also comes with a 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch ER20 collet system. The 1/2 inch collet system can also squeeze down to accept a 12mm router cutter, and the 1/4 inch can also squeeze down to take a 6mm router cutter. We also have on here our speed control, and our router is pre-wired to our NVR box. So to comply with regulations and make life much easier for yourself, we can control, we can isolate, you can spin that and it pops out. Now we're good to turn the router on, turn the router off, or emergency off, which also gives you full isolation. All of our router lifts and router plates come with levelling screws in, so you can level it up to your work surface in your bench. Also, some of them you can actually screw and fix down to the bench, so it's good to go. Also, we will have our inserts. So we'll be putting in different size inserts depending on what size cutter we've got, and we can unlock those and take them out. To get access now to the ER20 collet and to put a new cutter in there, use the handle, make sure you're unlocked height-wise, pop the handle in, and we can wind the router up. Really quick and easy to wind up, and it also now means that we have full access to both of the nuts, so we can tighten this down and put our cutter in. Once your cutter's in there, winding back down to set up your height and refit in the correct size insert ring, depending whether you've got a very small cutter or a larger one. The JessEm Rout-R-Lift with our smaller AUK router is a great setup if you're looking to doing box making or smaller routing jobs. You're looking for the accuracy and convenience of a round-bodied NVR router, but a more affordable price. The 1500 watt motor is going to be great for doing smaller rebates and mouldings. You may need to go up to the 1800 watt with a Mast-R-Lift if you're going to do a lot more heavier general workshop routing. If you're looking for any of our JessEm or AUK products, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk and have a look at us on our social media channels.